everybody, Gina DeLuca here, live from quarantine. Actually, I'm not live. Well, I am live right now, but when you're watching it, I won't be. But I'm going to experiment today. I have the, let me get the box for you. I'll give you this box. The Arteza Acrylic Pouring colors. They're pre-mixed paints. You don't need to do anything with them. They're straight from the bottle. No mixing required. And I have found these to be really good paints for ring pours because I don't get unwanted cells. So we're going to be attempting to make a rose. I don't know if I can make this happen or not. If it's just going to look like a wiggly mess, we'll find out. But first, fluid art inspiration cards. If you haven't seen these came out about 2 months ago. They include 8 bonus palette cards, each with 5 color palettes, all different. And there are 42 technique cards. And each card comes with a color palette. And also, these 2 boxes are meant to be complementary. So if you want to do a 2-color pour, which I did on my last video, then you could always just use those colors. They're meant to work well together. These cards are available at my website, ginadeluca.net. Good for boredom busting during this corona quarantine mess. Oy vey. I hope everyone is safe and germ-free. All right, the colors I'm going to be using are neon purple, Ceres pink, I have no idea if I'm saying that properly, probably not, coral, and I have some titanium white. The purple I will be putting on the bottom. I want that to be the center color. Okay, the next color I'm going to do is the coral. And then I'll do white. And finally, that pink. Okay, I'm not going to do a base coat, just because these paints are precious. You only get 2 ounces. So I will fill in corners as necessary. So I'm going to try to wiggle this This is not going to work, so we're just going to make this as pretty as possible. It happens. I have some leftover purple here. It's dioxazine purple mixed with a bit of white. And I am just going to add this around the edges. This is mixed with Floetrol. It's from another painting. Just to give a little bit of something to slide around on. Okay, let's give this a stretch. I like that purple, so I'm going to try to leave some of it. Also, I'm interested to see what happens with these pre-mixed colors mixed with the Floetrol. Actually, it's kind of breaking up, so I am going to tilt it off. I'm just going for some composition here. All right, not exactly a rose, but it's rose-like. I think I could just come in and with a brush and just do a little bit of work and probably make that look very much like a rose. But I'm not unhappy with this. I think this turned out really pretty. I do like these colors together. And we'll see what that neon looks like under the black light. All right, I'm going to clean up and then I'll bring you in for close-up. Okay, here it is. It definitely wound up with some cool petal-like effects. That right there looks very petal-like. Satchmo is playing with the drop cloth. He's rotten. These colors are much brighter in person than they're showing up. Much, much brighter. This is looking very deep on the camera. But, you know, I don't hide anything from you guys, so I'm gonna show you that is happening. And I think that is because that purple paint was mixed with Floetrol. So now we know you cannot use a base coat mixed with Floetrol with this stuff. I learned the lessons for you, so that doesn't have to come out of your pocket. There we go. Oh, let me turn the light off and show you what this looks like with the black light. It's daytime. This would work a lot better at night, but you can see it is very reactive to the UV. Groovy. That neon paint definitely sits on top, but it doesn't appear like quite so neon in the painting without the light. Let me put the light back on for you. Okay, so there it is. I may be able to salvage it. I might be able to touch up those sides. We'll see. But there it is. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. I will never give up trying to figure out how to pour a rose. I will make this happen somehow. I'll figure it out. But in the meantime, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. Also, I am now signed up on Venmo. That will also be in there. And my website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can find my fluid art inspiration cards. Also, my artwork and music for sale and download. And the Amazon store. We're all going to be doing a lot of Amazon shopping. Anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Also, our group, Go Make Some Art. Please join us there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. And I think that's it. Oh, check out my music video for my song Better Than Chocolate. Right here on the YouTube. It should be popping up any second now. All right, you guys, that's it for me. Please, please stay safe in this corona universe that's happening right now. Quick note, I will be appearing live on my Facebook tomorrow. I'll be playing some music. That is Tuesday the 24th at 9 o'clock as the gig that I was supposed to have, like everybody else's gig, is canceled. So I'll be going live on Facebook Tuesday the 24th of February. What month is this? March. Oh boy. Okay, that's it for me, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make smart.